Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can apply neon outline to our video in Filmora. Okay, let's get started. Here I have created a project in my Filmora application. And first of all guys, I'm going to remove the background of this video. To do that, we're going to use AI tool. So I'm going to go to the AI tools here, and then I'm going to use this feature, AI portrait cutout. I'm just going to click on the toggle button to activate it. Alright, and now as you can see that the background of my video has been removed. And for your information guys, that this feature can be applied to a video with human only. Okay, and after the video has been after the background of the video has been removed, we can go to the outline here. You can choose advanced cutout mode, and then since we want to add neon outline or neon border, we can choose this one. Okay, and you will be able to enhance the border like this. Okay, and you can also change the color. I'm just going to use purple or pink. Alright, and then you can customize the opacity as well. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add neon outline to our video in Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.